Well, we've got a lot more to cover because your money had a big day, right? We've got our market gurus here to help you protect what you got, even though you lost a little bit today. Michael Lee and Jonathan Hoenig are with us. Hey, guys, how are you?
Great.
How are we doing?
All right.
Well, I've been a little bit better when it comes to the market, Cheryl, but great to be with you.
I know. Well, Jonathan, hey, I mean, that's the question. I know you get this all the time. It's a basic question. What do investors do? I mean, this is a bigger picture story than one company blowing it on earnings or one terrorist attack happening overseas. This is a full-time future fear that we're sitting on right now. A trade war.
This is a trade war. We're in the midst of a trade war. The president wanted one, Cheryl. He talked about how easy they were to win. Well, he's got one. And unfortunately, I think it's a self-inflicted wound that you're seeing the results of today. Tremendous selling on Wall Street. Interestingly, the biggest hit stocks have been the biggest winners. Names like Netflix and Tesla, ones you necessarily wouldn't think to be most influenced by a trade war. But investors don't know what to think because this is literally being played out on an ad hoc basis. And just like in the stimulus way back in the day when investors didn't know which companies were going to get bailed out, I think we're seeing that same sort of uncertainty on Wall Street. People say, sell first, ask questions later.
And maybe sell specific companies, I mean, that have international exposure. And, Michael, I mean, the Dow did close below the 200-day moving average today. Haven't seen that since June 2016. What's your prognosis here?
You know, I see this as a little temporary blip. We've had a million different small sell-offs based on trade talk. And the big headline today was that the sensitivity to foreign investment. So these regulations have existed and for, since long before Trump was president, so that anybody that wanted to come in from abroad and invest in a sensitive technology company, there's all sorts of restrictions around it. What I thought was really interesting about market movement today is when Peter Navarro came out and spoke at 3:30, the markets turned. We didn't close anywhere near our lows. And like Jonathan mentioned, you have a company like Netflix off over 6% today that has nothing to do with China. So a lot of the high beta names that have been really top performers just pulled back a little bit today.
All right, Jonathan, a couple of big names. Again, international exposure. I said this earlier. Boeing, Caterpillar, GM, they've all got significant exposure to China. Major exporters all fell. What do you make about these big names that are frankly in the portfolios of most of our viewers tonight?
Well, yeah, I mean, those are the names, Cheryl, that make up the majority of the stock indices. So even if you necessarily don't own those names, as you pointed out, the overall market is going to be impacted on this selling. And let me just say, a lot of times you'll see investors kind of minimize the effect of these tariffs. They'll say, well, I don't own steel companies or I don't own timber companies. The problem is the supply chain. The market is an interconnected whole. And just today, for example, Cheryl, you saw Harley-Davidson talk about cutting American jobs as a result of new tariffs that have been put on American companies by four. So this is a trade war. And as Ben Stein even admitted a moment ago, these never end well.
No, I have to say, Jonathan, we all talk about that. But
read history.
But Michael, I'll give you last word though. Quick. But the other side, there is a but to this. Trade wars are bad, but Michael, maybe this is the bully tactic that we need to deal with the Chinese that have been stealing our intellectual property for decades.
Well, exactly. So the Chinese market is down close to 20% from their highs. We're down just over 4%. The goal here is to open up other markets. The U.S. is the freest and fairest trader in the world, and as a result, we're the wealthiest. So what we're trying to do is get other countries to emulate what we've done, which is get rid of these tariffs, get rid of the barriers to entry, allow global trade to exist, and ultimately, in the end, it benefits you greatly.
All right, Michael and Jonathan, we're going to be talking about this for days, possibly weeks. Yeah. Guys, thank you very much. We appreciate it.